Hello my friends, I am here to try an Oreo that has me very confused. I got this at World Market, and it is a grape and peach flavored Oreo. What? I know it. I saw it, I was like, I got it. I gotta do it. I have to give it a try. It's so weird that I had to be a part of it. Okay. So it comes in two packaging. Here's the packaging. Here's the other one in there. So I like that it comes in two separate little pre-packages. So that way if you wanted to have one for yourself, maybe send one with a friend or in a lunch pail for someone, that would actually be really convenient. Alrighty. I will link these below. I'm sure that these can be found online, so I will link them below. That's a lot going on in there. I don't know what I think about that. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh mercy. Okay. You definitely can smell an artificial peach right off the bat. Like as soon as you open the packaging, you get hit with that artificial peach. And a grape smell. And a strong grape smell. And an artificial peach smell. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got going on here. Oh, it actually is much thinner than I was expecting. Let's do the old-fashioned twist. It didn't twist off very pretty, and it actually is very underfilled. Like that is not as much filling as I was hoping for. You definitely can smell the grape and the peach. I just don't think grape and chocolate go well together. I mean, because that's really all I'm tasting. I'm not even tasting any peach. I'm just tasting that strong artificial grape. Okay, there's kind of the whisper of peach, just a whisper. Mostly it's just a really strong grape taste. It's peculiar. And not in a good way. And then it kind of leaves an aftertaste behind of like you just had some grape juice. I would give these, I'll give it a 2 out of 5 because I think that the experience was interesting. It wasn't a good experience, but it was interesting and I will remember it. So I'm going to give it a 2 out of 5. Let me know what you thought of these if you tried them, and if you haven't, does it sound like something that you might like, or did I totally turn you off of it? Alright, well I will link them below if you dare. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.